Welcome to All Time Free Tutor. Today we'll see the trick video of middle term factor method. How fast we can calculate the middle term factor. If you know the multiplication table very well and if you practice it quite good, then it is not a difficult task. But if it is not done so well, then you have to follow this trick. Suppose this is my equation. 1, this is 5 and this is 84. Okay. So A into C will be minus 84. So we have to factorize 84, not minus 84. We will factorize, just wait, okay, we have to factorize 84 and we have to reach the value of B, positive B, that means 5. And as it is negative, so we have to reach the 5 by subtracting. First we have to factorize. So we will factorize this by 2 first. So what will it come? It will be 42. Okay. Next once again 2. It will be 21. Next once again factorize. This is 3. It will be 7. Done. Okay. No more possible. So first one is, this is 84. That means it should be 1 and it should be 84. Now subtract these two. We have to reach by subtracting. So subtract these two. 84 minus 1. What is the answer? 83. Look at here. 83. And we have to reach 5. That means it is too much gap. Gap is too much. So we should not go for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay, try to find out 6, whether 6 is possible or not. Yes, 6 is possible. 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. So this is 6. And what will be multiplied with 6? It will become 84. This is 7. Which are remaining? Remaining 7 and remaining is 2. So 7 to the 14. So this will be 14. Don't go for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. We'll directly answer. Now subtract these two. What is the answer? Obviously 8. So that means we comes very close to the 5. So is it possible for 7? Can we reach 7? Yes, 7 can be possible. Yes, 7 can be possible. So what are the remaining to multiply? We have to multiply these 3. 2 to the 4. 4 3 is 12. So it is 12. Now subtract these two. See, we can reach 5. How much time it is taken? Okay. So how we will factorize this value? We will factorize 1x square. It is positive. 5 is positive. So 12 will become positive. So it will be divided into 2 parts. Plus 12x One part is plus 12x and another part will be, okay, 5x must do. Okay, now check about the sign. Which sign it will be? It will be plus sign or minus sign. Okay, so this is positive. This is 5 is positive. 5 is positive. So this 5 is positive. B is positive. So this will be this. It should be positive. It should be positive. Okay, this should be positive. And what should be the sign of 5x? Okay, this is we reach by subtracting. Subtracting means opposite sign. We reach 5 by subtracting, that means opposite sign. It is plus, so it will be minus. It should be minus 5x. So middle term factor is done for this. Okay. Now we are coming to the next problem. Okay, suppose I am taking a tough problem like this. We are pasting by values only, so that setting does not change. So once again I am clearing everything. So 4 into 9, that means minus 36. 4 into 9 means minus 36. So we have to factorize 36. We have to factorize 36. Okay. So factorize it. We get 2 first. It will become 18. Then once again we have to take 2. We'll get 9. Next, once again we have to factorize 3. We'll get 3. Okay. So it is done. Factorization is done. So first what we have to do? 1 into 36. 1 into 36. This is the first multiplication problem. Okay. Now we have to reach by subtracting or adding. Now here it is telling it is negative. It is negative. So we have to reach by, we have to reach which value? Not minus 12. We have to reach 12. We have to reach 12 by, we have to reach 12 by subtracting. Okay. So if we subtract these two, what will be value? It will be 35. So it is 35 and we have to reach 12. So too much gap. Not too much. Okay, little bit gap is there. So what I can do? Just let's check for the 4. Okay. Check for the 4 directly. So if we take 4, it will be 9. 4 9s are 36. Now subtract between these two. 9 minus 4, that means 5. Okay, so we have subtracted too much. Okay, so we cannot take 4. We have to take smaller than 4. Okay, next try to for 3. Consider 3. Okay. So if we take 3, it will be 3. That means cover these 3. Cover these 3. What are remaining? Okay, I cannot cover in this way. So I am following this method to cover this. Okay, I have covered these 3. So which are remaining? These 3 are remaining. Multiply these 3. Multiply these 3. 2 to the 4. 3 4 the 12. Okay, now I am uncovering my hand. Okay, so it is 3 and it will be 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Now see, we have to reach 12. Okay, so still it is not reached. So we have to try for 2 also. Okay, we have to try for 2. If we try 2, then it will be 18. Okay. So now 18 minus 2 means 16. Now look at here. 16 has become larger than 12. And all the numbers has been checked. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we never can reach 12 in the middle term factor method. So for these values we cannot use the middle term factor. Okay. Just I am showing another very tough problem like this. Okay. Paste by values. Okay. Multiplication of A and C is once again negative. Okay, but here don't try to multiply this. Okay, don't try to multiply this. Okay, if you try to multiply these 3, it will be just wasting of time. Don't need to try to. What will we write? 3 into 3528. 3 into 3528. Sorry, I have written in the wrong place. I have to write here, not there. I am clearing this section and clearing it also. So what we have to do? We have to write, don't multiply these 2. It will take 30 seconds, 40 seconds. So don't waste this time. Just write in this way. 3 into 3528. In this way. Now first take factor of 3. Okay. Just first take 3. So if we take 3, what will remain? 3528 will remain. Okay. Now you from here 3528 means we can take 2. If we take 2, then what will be the value? 1764. Once again we can take 2. If we take 2, it will become 882. So once again we can take 2. it will become 4 4 1. Now we can take 3 here. If we take 3, it will become 1 4 7. Next, once again we can take 3. It will become 49. So it is 7 and 7. Done. Okay. Now we have to reach the value. We have to reach the value of B. B is 32. So we have to reach 32. First term is 1 into this. Okay, so that means 10 5 8 4. Okay, so if we subtract these two, okay, this is very large. Okay, so we'll not go for 2 3 4 5 6 like that. We'll go for very large number, just like 3 into, okay, check for this all numbers. Okay, 3 into 2 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 3 the 72. Let's type for the 72 directly. Okay, so which are remaining? Remaining is this 3. 3 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 means 49. 49 into 3 means 147. 147. Now if we subtract these two, the value will become 75. But we have to reach 32. Okay, so that means we have to multiply still long. Okay, so what will we do? This is 12. This is 12. Okay, and another 7 will take. 3 4 are 12. 7 12 are 84. So it will become 84. Okay, and which are remaining? Remaining is this part. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 7 9s are 63. 63 into 2, 63 into 2, 126. Let's check, subtract these two values. Okay, we'll get 42. So that means we have to increase lots still. 42 close. So we have to multiply the values, so which will become larger than 84. Okay, it will become larger than 84. Okay, which to get the 84, which we have multiplied? This 7 and this 4 we have multiplied. So now what will we do? We'll remove 1 2 and take 1 3 from here. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 3 3 is a 9, 9 to the 18, and 7 18s are 7 into 18. Okay, I have forgot this value, so we have to calculate this value. 7 into 18. Oh, 7 into 18 is 126. So we have already considered this value. So we have to consider different value. We cannot consider these two. Okay, let's check these three values. Multiplication of these three. Oh, we have checked already also. This 4 we have checked already. Okay, so we have to check 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9, 9 to the 18, 18 into 2, we have to consider in different way. 7 3 to the 9, 3 to the 9, sorry, 3 to the 6, and 3 3 is a 9. 6 into 9, 54. 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, and 3 to the 6. That means 54. 54 into 2. 54 into 2 means 108. 108. Okay. So it will become 108. It will become which value? 7 into 7. 584 divided by 108. 98. Okay. This is next smaller value. Now subtract these two values. What will we get? 10. We get 10. So that means we never can reach 32 for these values using the middle term method, because we cannot find out any middle values between 84 and 98. Okay, so in this way we have to decide. No, this it has not taken too much time to decide. I hope you will practice. Obviously in the exam this will not be given this type of tough problem, okay, which will take more than 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, so but if you have the confidence of solving like this, okay, so don't multiply this to find out the factor, then you can easily calculate. I hope you will like this. Thank you.